Here's the app called CHATTEE AI Character, so you can just tap Get to install it. So just double click to install. Explore countless characters. Here, discovering millions of characters, get more fun with inspiring replies, connect multiple AIs in one group chat, video calls. So, there are so many these new character AI apps. And this is one of those. CHATTEE offers a limitless virtual world to unleash your imagination in a safe, creative stories, environment, and experiences without judgment. Dive into fun and engaging storytelling. So that's basically the idea in here. And let's just open it up, see how you can create an account. So you can create an account with Apple, email, or Google. So let's just sign in with Apple in here, and then as you can see, that's what you have. And then you just enter your name, and then you just select what you like, and then pick and then there you have it in here. So that's the idea. That's what you have. Quite advanced app, a lot of features. Then there is also some invitation codes which you can use. There are your recommended chats. Then there are swiping, where you can just swipe like that, kind of like Tinder. And then, for example, you can just message the profile. You can call. You can send gifts to bot. There are custom prompts. There are voice call, photo history. Then there are settings, chat settings, clear chat history. Then there are some coins. I already got some coins. I don't know where from I got them. And so that's basically the idea. Then you have your settings. Then you can also delete an account. Again, there is invite code. So here you have, you can buy coins in here. There are gems. You can buy gems or exchange coins for gems. Then you have your tasks in here. You can claim these coins for just logging in, send gifts, and a lot of other things. Then there is some feedback. Then there is a store where you can buy some cards in here, and then you can allow notifications. There are all your chats. You can delete chats like that. So that's the app. And then people claim that they are real people, and then people said these are AI profiles. So this app kind of combines real people and AI profiles. Well, I don't know whether it's okay to trust this app and have real people and AI profiles in here, but that's what it is.